How to draw a rectangle in Davinci Resolve. Go to the Effects panel, click on Effects, and drag a fusion composition in Timeline. Make sure the playhead is above the composition, select it, and open up the fusion page. Add a rectangle mask and attach it to Media Out. Select the rectangle and in the inspector, change its width and height to your liking. To have round corners, increase corner radius. To change the color of rectangle, first, add a background node. Now click on the line to detach it and attach the rectangle to the background and background to the Media Out. Now select the background and change its color. Now go back to the edit page and change the position and size of the rectangle based on your needs. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.